When I first came off the streets, I didn't trust anybody. I had walls built up way high. If it hadn't been for Spring Street and the people, the staff, I probably would still be on the streets or I'd be dead.
I think that the Friendship Center is so unique in the way that, yeah, you might see some of these people on the street. Maybe they have a sign, maybe they don't. It's a place that's a safe haven, that you can be who you are. If you're funny, if you're nutty, if you're quiet, if you're not quiet, if you like to sing songs as loud as you can, when I come here, I feel like I'm not judged, where in society you always are.
I think you should come to the Friendship Center. You'll be accepted. You'll enjoy being with other people. I've been volunteering for over 30 years, and I can remember the girl asking me at the end of the first session, well, what did you think of it? And I thought, don't ask me today. It's too emotional today to give you an answer. But since then, it's changed completely. I come because these people are my friends. They can help you connect up with so many people.
It was the first place that I had gone to as a disabled person with mental health disorders. I needed more than just a place to not sleep out in the rain. They introduced me into a supportive housing program, and it was designed for people that had historically not done well with roommates, but could live alone. I needed that kind of support. But if I need to take a little time away, they don't force themselves upon me. I think of it like someone who's working the trapeze at Cirque du Soleil. You'd kind of like to have a very nice invisible net down there just in case. And that's a huge thing for someone who is in transition back into the larger world.
I just don't think that I would be where I am today without MHA. When you feel like you have no one or nothing left in your life that has any meaning, they're there to bring it back to you. Transitional is a step towards getting more independent. You have your own room, you pay rent, so you're responsible for doing your own budget and taking care of things, and it's kind of a stepping stone. If I needed to talk, they were there. If I needed to vent, they listened. The Mental Health Association of San Mateo County is a lifesaver.
I mean, just getting to reflect on a day or a week or the things that I had gone through or the things that I was dealing with mentally or, socially. Being in a place where, being facilitated and able to take care of myself was a great help. And it eventually motivated me. I actually started schooling in computer science and changed up my major to human services because of the people that I had dealt with in the county and through MHA. If MHA gave me nothing else, it was the idea and the road to walk upon.
They actually gave me a place to stay, food, in the emergency shelter, and it's been the best thing that happened. When I've came here, I've seen other people going through the same thing I'm coming from. They have to come to a shelter, they don't have no one to turn to, and I'm actually here to hear other people's problems just as well as they're here to hear mine. And I felt like I wasn't the only one that had to go through this. They're willing to listen and everything. They've been there for me, like a parent that I never had. I feel like I've accomplished a lot and I'm willing and ready to accomplish more. So I'm ready now.